Let's serve up a little volleyball. Division I sectional semifinal, Bowling Green hosting Lima Senior. Back and forth first set. Bobcats looking for set point. Abigail Barski with the bump pass to Katie Suter. Nice touch to beat the defense. Bobcats take that first set 25-21. BG with the momentum. Ball set over to Madison Cowan. Powers through the block. It's a two-set advantage for the home team. BG looking to finish the match. Cowan again through the defense. Bobcats sweep, an explosive start to postseason play.
And Sophie Twig did a really good job. Maddie did a really good job. All our hitters. And my passers did a really good job getting up to the net for me to set it to them. Their block was really good. It was really big, and they were stopping us. So once we switched it up, we were able to get some points on them and take the victory.
Great match by Slim Barski. For more of that, we turn to Steve Ronkowitz and Maddie Klein.
It is tournament time in the volleyball world, and we started things off here at Bowling Green High School tonight. Bowling Green and Lima Senior. BG came out in that first set. They had an awful lot to deal with as Lima Senior came out in the first set, played a really good first set.
They did. They did a nice job really picking up a lot of balls. They kept the pressure on them at the service line, but BG was able to bounce back and come out with 3 straight sets.
Yeah, 25-21 in the first set, but then it looked like Bowling Green kind of changed things up just a little bit. They were very left side heavy that first set, moved it to the middle, moved it to the right side, and that really kind of changed the dynamic.
Yeah, they were a lot more in system that second and third set, so they're able to use all their options out there. They did a nice job getting Dean Sheely on the right side in that second set, really creating that energy and getting the momentum going.
Yeah, Bowling Green comes out. They get the straight set victory in this one over Lima Senior. Next up on the tournament trail for them, they will take on Springfield on Wednesday night. That'll do it for us from here in Bowling Green.